The deadlift has a certain reputation, doesn't it? Heavy, kind of intimidating, maybe even a little dangerous. But honestly, the deadlift isn't risky at all. Bad form is the real problem. What puts lifters in danger is usually far less obvious: small technical mistakes repeated under load. When you nail your technique, the deadlift stands out. It builds total body strength, fires up muscle growth, and gives you real-world power like almost nothing else. So don't shy away from it. Let's break it down how to do it right. Just focus on these 5 steps and you'll not only lift more, you'll lift better. Step 1, coming up. 1. Build your foundation. Everything starts before you even touch the bar. Your setup makes or breaks the lift. Walk up and line the bar right over the middle of your feet, not your toes or your shins. Stand about hip-width apart. Picture your body as a stack of bricks, ribs over hips, hips over ankles. Gently brace your core, squeeze your glutes, and imagine your spine lengthening. This alignment keeps your back safe and helps transfer force all the way through your body. Most injuries, they don't happen mid-lift. They sneak in here during the sloppy setup. 2. Hinge, don't squat. Push your hips back like you're closing your car door with your butt. Only bend your knees when your hips can't go further. This move, the hip hinge, fires up your hamstrings and glutes, the muscles built for big lifts. If your knees dart forward first, you're off track. Suddenly your lower back has to work overtime, and it's just not built for that. 3. Create full body tension. Grab the bar just outside your knees and pause. Breathe deep into your belly, not your chest. Brace like someone's about to poke your stomach. Weird, but it works. You want to feel solid, from shoulders down to your heels. Loose muscles waste power. Tight muscles move weight. 4. Push the floor away. People call it a pull, but really you're driving with your legs. Press your feet into the ground. Let the bar come up as a result. Keep your hips and chest rising together. If your hips shoot up first, reset and lock in your tension. At the top, stand tall and squeeze your glutes. Don't lean back. No circus moves needed. Real strength is simple. 5. Control the descent. Muscle grows on the way down, too. Guide the bar by sending your hips back, keeping it close to your legs. Once the bar passes your knees, bend them and return the bar over your mid-foot. Don't just drop it. Control matters. Gravity can't build muscle for you. At first, this might feel tougher. You might even need to lighten the load. That's normal. Trust your joints, not your ego. When your technique sharpens up, strength sneaks in quietly and sticks around. Master these 5 steps and the deadlift won't feel scary anymore. It'll become your go-to for building a strong, resilient body.